Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikate here, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete check-ins on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Facebook app. Once you open up, make sure they are logged into your account. Now once you're on your home page, tap on your profile with the three-line icon from the upper right corner of your screen. You will land on this menu page. From here, again tap on the settings icon that you will see at the upper right of your screen again. You will land on the settings page. Now scroll all the way down and onto your information, you will see activity log. Tap on there. And on this interface, tap on activity history that you will see near trash option. And again at the upper left corner of this interface, you will see filters. Tap on there. A drop down menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From there, tap on categories. And here tap on the first option that says your activity across Facebook. And again tap on posts. And here a bunch of options will pop up. From there you will see an option that says your post, check-ins, photos and videos. Tap on there. You will land on this interface, and if you have made any kind of check-ins on your Facebook, you will see all those check-ins on this interface. Now scroll through your check-ins, and once you find the specific check-in that you want to delete, tap on the three dot icon or the edit icon that you will see on that check-ins. Once you tap on there, a delete or remove options will pop up and confirm the action. Once you're done with that, your check-ins will get deleted. And that's how you can simply delete check-ins on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.